guys, my name is Jeffrey. So now I'm going to show a tutorial about Autodesk Modflow on the primary configuration of tutorial. So now let's open the Modflow. Okay. So how are we going to start the preliminary configuration? Preliminary configuration is how the basic Modflow can do for the analysis. So to do the analysis, we must have the model which we can design in the application such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and so on. So now, to show this tutorial, I will show how to start it. First, you have to start new project. Give name the project. Preliminary tutorial. Just click enter. So this your new project. Click here and import. So in import for each folder, and then choose page.html for tutorial purposes. So here is your design. So just click next, and then next. Loading document. Just click next. Okay. Take a while. Okay. Here design shows the design analysis suitable for standard tool domain. Finish. And then now we are going to change the orientation. Just go to bottoms, and then you just go to geometry. What we're going to do is now we want to put this one to bottom. Okay, so that it's suitable to put it on the more of our design. Just choose this one, and it changed to pink color. And you already choose the geometry, then rotate. So this part center, and what we are going to do is we just want to alter the axis. So we just adjust this one. Okay. Now we already got the position of the geometry that we want. Just click OK. So that's how we change the orientation of the geometry. So now the first thing that I want to show is we are going to use a design advisor analysis to see what is the effect to our product or design. How to do that? We just go to home, go into analysis wizard, and then you select everything except just select what you want to use is design advisor, and then make sure the other part is unselect. Just click analyze. Yes, you have to wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while. If it doesn't respond, you just go again here and then unselect, select, just analyze. Wait, and then normally we show here the percentage of the machine. Oh yeah, you can see here you have to wait until 100%. Okay, I will pause a while. When it finishes, I will start again. Okay, now let's get back. So when it already finished, it will show this notification. Then you just click OK. So basically, this design with the analysis will do analysis for your designing is to determine the effect part. We show the undercut, and the other angles, and then the thickness wall of something like that. So just ignore it, and then you go to task. You select nominal wall thickness. Nominal wall thickness, it will show you nominals, and then task again. You will select draft angle. It will show the draft angle here. Parallels, more than 3, less than 3, or equal, less than 1, 0 drafting, rate, all of that. Just and then undercut for your design. You see here. You can see here. Okay, that's how the design advisor works. And then so now let's move to how we're going to setting the injector location for the gate. Okay, so now unselect this one. So go to the home again, and then modeling process, analyzing wizards. You just unselect design advisor and you select gate location, and then you go to next. Here you choose get region locator. That's means we want to choose the region for our get, and then just click analyze and create copy because we don't want to delete what we have done already. So you have to wait also. You have to wait until the machine here up to 100%. So I'm going to pause for a while. Okay, now the analysis already done. So just click OK. So here it shows the color contour. The blue one is the most suitable for us to put the gate locator, but we have to see the design parameter or design where it's suitable, so that when we finish the product we can eject the our product. If we put here, we might have a problem to eject the product from the mouse. Now let's look at the okay. So where is we are going to put? We must put over here because there is a groove part here. If we put the groove part in the other part, and then it will hard to form the groove part this one. Okay. So how to do that? So we're going to go to here again, home, and then we choose injection location. Just select here. Don't delete because I will keep this one. So just create copy. Okay. Choose the part that you want. Put the injection location. Put here. Okay. As you can see, this is the location that we put our gate location. Escape, and then this is here. This is where we are going to put the gate for our design. So now let's move to the molding window. Molding window is we are going to check the injection location, material, and the pressure for our design. So that is the same also. We just go to this home and analyze wizard. We just unselect the locator and we select the molding window. So in here, next, so material we just generate PP as default set. Other else nothing. Okay, now we just start the analyze. Okay, it's also take the time to do analyze for the parts. Okay, as well it will show the percentage of the analysis here. Then to finish, I will show you. Now I'm going to pause a while and chill. Okay, guys. So the analysis meshing is already finished, and this notification as well. Notification block is CPS. So just click OK. So what I'm going to say is in the molding window, it gives you the injection times and also more temperature and injection time, more temperature, just by select where is the position of your design here. It is recommended to prefer in the green color, so it means your in the injection time and then temperature. Temperature is what we call is suitable for our design, and here if feasible, it means if we do it can, but it takes time and not stable also, and it's really costly to do the what we call plastic injection processes. So okay, this one you can unselect under the result summary. So unselect, you will get the design itself, and if you select, you will get the result of your analysis. So so as what I mentioned, I don't delete the other analysis, so I can choose this one, and it will appear here again. And this for get location, so just select in the result. You can see here. Okay, where is the suitable part that we can put the get location? Say as well as what I'm showing, I put here the get location, and then you just unselect. You will go to the normal normal one of the design without any analysis done, and then here also. Okay, so now move to the other ones. This one is we already done the what we call it analysis on Design Advisor. You can choose Design Advisor analysis, where you can see your product either it defect or not. So just go to summary. You can see here wall thickness. Where is the wall thickness? That the thickness normal nominals less than 50%, 80%, all of that. There is information about each. You can see here. You can find nominal how the thickness is in millimeters, something like that, and then can choose draft angles, draft where is the drafting location in your design. So Morphlow can basically show you this kind of information when you design something in the design application. You can design it, but how you know the design have the drafting, and then how the design have the undercut. So all of these we can do in the Autodesk Morphlow. So yeah, okay, undercut, when you see here. So this all we can do in the Autodesk Morphlow. This is how the I'm going to show the primary configuration tutorial. How is Morphlow can show you, can guide you for the basic analysis, like just like that. And the other analysis also I will do in the other next tutorials. But for this one, I'm just do the preliminary configuration tutorial, which means that it is the basic one for tutorial in the Autodesk. It's quite fun to know this application is for the plastic injection molding, where we can put the materials, the what we call it, location for the gating system before we run the analysis, and before we put the uh, real process to produce the product. So I think for this time, this is the tutorial that I can show you all. You can see, as what I say, it's not that hard. Yeah, this one. Actually, there is a lot of application inside here. I mean, the function of this Morphlow, but I will show it in the next tutorial. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. If there's some mistake or weakness that come from me, and I'm really sorry, because it's the first time for me to do the videos or the tutorials, and I will keep improving.